Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello everyone and welcome. Which type of feedback loop pushes an organism's physiology further away from its normal set points? We have A, positive feedback loop, B, negative feedback loop, C, set point, and D, receptor. So there are only two feedback loops out of these four choices, A and B. And so positive feedback loop, so for part a positive feedback loop is a feedback loop in which a cascading effect occurs. So it's when something triggers, so it's just a cascading um, effect. So when something happens and that triggers more of that thing to happen, so it's like, for example, ethylene, right? In apples, let's say you have a tree and you have a bunch of apples on it. And so this is an example of a positive feedback loop because one of these apples will become ripened and a hormone called ethylene will spread, which causes more apples to become ripened. So let's say the ones near it become ripened, which causes even more apples to become ripened. And so it's just a positive feedback loop, is just a cascading effect in which it goes further and further away from its um, normal set points. A negative feedback loop is the opposite. It's when you just try to restore to its original condition. So an example of this would just be if your glucose levels are extremely high up here, and this is the baseline, then your body releases insulin, which brings them right back down to their normal level. And so it restores it to its original condition, and there's no such cascading effect. And so this is an example of a negative feedback loop. So the question is asking which type of feedback loop pushes it further and further away from its normal set points. So this restores it to its original set points. So our answer is actually going to be A. And our answer is A, a positive feedback loop. So thank you for watching, and I hope this helped.